Hello everyone, welcome to your channel. In this video we wanna solve an algebraic problem. The problem says if x equals 20 and y equals 15, then find the amount of this algebraic expression. For solving this problem, we set this expression a. Actually, we set the amount of this expression a, and now we start to solving this problem. In the first step for solving, we multiply both sides. 5, we multiply 5, therefore we have 5 times a equals 5 multiply x plus y multiply x power 2 plus y power 2 plus, and now 5 multiply 1 over 5, and we have 1 for the 5 power 2 for the y power 4, and we have 1 y power 4. As you know, we don't write 1 for y power 4. The next step, we should know the most important point about this problem, and that's x minus y equals 5. It's very important. X minus 5 equals x minus y equals 5. Now we have 5 times a, and here instead of 5 we write x minus y multiply x plus y multiply x power 2 plus y power 2 plus y power 4. Now we should know one of the most famous identity in the math, and that's a minus b multiply a plus b equals a power 2 minus b power 2, and here we have the same thing. X minus y multiply x plus y equals x power 2 minus y power 2 for this, and next x power 2 plus y power 2 for the second time. We have this identity, and we use the conclusion of this identity, and we know x power 2 a and y power 2 is b. Therefore we have a minus b multiply a plus b. Again we have a plus 2. That's mean x power 2 plus 2 minus y power 2 power 2 plus y power 4 and we have x power 4 minus y power 4 plus y power 4, and we know y power 4 minus y power 4 will be 0, and we have 5 times a equals x power 4. Now we divide both sides 5 because we want an amount of a. Therefore we have x power 4 over 5. And now we can calculate the final amount of this expression for a. We know x equals 20. Therefore 20 power 4 over 5 is the final answer, and we can write 20 multiply 20 multiply 20 multiply 20 over 5. We know 20 divided by 5 equals 4, and we have 4, it will be 4, and we have 4 multiply 20 multiply 20 multiply 20. Therefore the final answer is 20 multiply 20 multiply 20 equals 8,000, and 8,000 multiply 4 equals 32,000, and this is the final answer of this problem. I hope learn new something from this math video, and please like if you learn something new, and write comment in the comments, and if you wanna watch more video you can subscribe my channel. Bye until next videos. Have fun.